Yael. Today I will show how I make the rice. You don't need to be chef or something like that. It's very simple, but many people have many ways to do the rice. Well, I learned this from my mom, and I hope that you can cook with this or something like that. Normally I use a recipient like that, but you can use a recipient different. You need a recipient for put the rice, fire. I use normally Maggi. The Maggi gives good taste to the rice. I love Maggi in the rice. Salt, oil, a recipient like that for measure. For measure, these recipients are very useful for measure the quantity of oil. Sorry, the quantity of rice and water that you will use for do the rice. Well, in my house we are 4 people, so I do the rice for 4 people. So you can make the calculation looking the video according with how many you need, one person, etc. Ah, sorry, I forget that. I use this for wash the rice. Well, I think that this is all, so we can start. Well, I will clean that because it's really horrible right now. So I think that you need a recipient clean. So I will start for clean that. It's like 2 minutes clean. Well, for not the have a recipient clean is good for many things. We are girls, and for we this is normal to clean that. It's like 2 minutes cleaning that, and after I can continue cooking. Well, as well, it's not so hard. I'm not chef or something like that. I learned with my mom make rice is really easy and fast. When you are studying or something like that, you need to prepare fast food, but fast food that make you good. Okay, we will start. Normally I use different recipient because you use the main recipient for put the rice. In this will be like the water will be like glue in the rice, so you will have to use your hands for keep the rice. I think that this is horrible and uncomfortable, so I prefer do the things fast. So we just start. This is full. One. This is full of water. No? 2. 3. And 4. Okay. This is okay. Well, I will put the oil. Normally I put like, I do something like that, and this is enough this is like use 2 spoons of oil. This is not, you don't need a lot. After the Maggi, I for more practice I will do that with my hands, and after I put the Maggi there, this will give, so when you will eat, you will don't see a square of Maggi in the rice. It's horrible. After the salt, normally I use a spoon like that, and I use only 1 spoon full. This is enough. You don't need more than that. Well, and after we will start with the other part, that is washing the rice and put the rice in the recipient. So, well, this is the rice. Like that. One, and 2. This is enough for for people. You don't need a lot. It's only that. And after, you will wash very well the rice, something like that. I wash the rice like that. Well, it's good. And after you do this, well, the thing that is done, like something like that. Well, it's really easy. Well, I will have to move the camera because the oven is there, so you will don't see anything that I will do. But well, normally I put the fire in the middle, no so hot and no so few, and this is enough. Well, it's good like that. I will move this. Yeah. Well, you can see the rice here. Well, for the preparation, you will wait 30 minutes, and after, you will be that the water is boiling in the recipient like that. When you see that the water is boiling and that you don't see a lot of water in the rice, you put the cover. You put the cover very well, and after you put a few the fire like that, and it's okay. And when you put the fire few, this is for finish, and you wait an hour, and after the rice is finished, the result of the rice is something like that. Well, I hope that you enjoy. I'm not a good cooker, I'm not chef or anything like that, but I try to do my best always and try to help the people, and the most important that the people get fun looking that. Well, bye.